Hi everyone! Today I want to share with you a super simple cookie recipe. These Palmier cookies. It's light, airy and buttery Palmier cookies will melt in your mouth. A perfectly sweet and crunchy treat. Your family will think these cookies came from bakery. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 1 sheet of puff pastry, about half cup of white granulated sugar, and half teaspoon of ground cinnamon, but this is optional. Mix the sugar with cinnamon until well combined. Sprinkle 1/4 cup of cinnamon sugar mixture onto a work surface. Then place the puff pastry sheet on top. Sprinkle the remaining 1/4 cup of sugar over the pastry. Lightly roll out the pastry sheet. Tightly roll up each long edge towards the center. Freeze for 30 minutes, then cut into 1/4 inch thick slices. Bake in preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until sugar starts to caramelize and bubble on the bottom. Flip over and bake for another 7 to 10 minutes or until golden brown. Once baked, let the cookies cool completely before serving. And there you have it! A sweet, crunchy and airy batch of Palmier cookies are ready to enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.